Required components: breadboard, LED, 470 ohms resistor, push button switch, battery snap, 9-volt battery. Place the push button on breadboard. Now, connect the 470 ohms resistor. And, connect the negative terminal of lead to the resistor. Here is the circuit of lead with push button switch. Now, connect the battery snap to 9-volt battery. When pressing on push button switch, our lattice lights up. Please subscribe, share and like. You can ask doubts and feedback on comment. Thanks for watching. Be ready for our next coming video. Let's see again.